Pinche Diego, we literally just ate like 2 hours ago a fat ass burger.
I'm hungry and I'm the one doing all the work.
And he's fucking wants to stop by and eat one more time. God, I'm trying to go home. Yeah, Johnson controls all these things. Yeah, it's all around. Alright guys, today we're doing 3 things. 2 maintenances and a service call. I'm out here with my boy Diego. Basically, I came in on Saturday for this unit and I found a bad compressor. It was pressures were equalized, compressor was super hot, so we condemned it. But today Johnson Controls wants us to come back and verify all the wiring, everything. So that's what we're gonna do right now. I mean, I disconnected the power going to that contactor. Yeah, this thing got super hot, bro. So just check windings and just to verify, guys. I took out the legs going to that compressor, so right now we're just going to be checking windings. It's disconnected. Yeah, bro, I have it disconnected, so everything's fine. Alright guys, so quick summary of the job, that way you guys know what's going on. I came in Friday, found no power going to the cylinder that's on the bottom. Traced the power, the wiring, everything, I couldn't find it. And when I was about to give up, I found a little wire not connected to the relay. So once I connected it, boom, I hear all the cylinders kick on. And then my compressor kicked on, so. All right, guys, there it is. Showed it the ground. Boom. So, ground the compressor. So we just basically just came in to confirm it. Because last time I was here, it was fucking pouring rain like crazy. So I was kind of rushing. But yeah, we confirmed it, so we should be out of here. Let me just show you guys around. Like I said, guys, this is a weed place, so this is where they grow weed on the bottom. City of Oakland. How many people, Diego? 3? 2?
People or 2 people, or a lot of them can come and hug it and carry it up here.
Yeah.
Oh.
That we can just, yeah, that's true. Alright guys, so now we're done with this. We're gonna head over to the city, and do 2 maintenances. So we should be pretty kickback day. Try to record if possible. But yeah. Damn. The Oracle. I'll be honest with you guys. Sometimes I miss working on those places, but sometimes I don't. All the walking we had to do, that just sucked. City of Oakland. I don't know if you guys ever seen The Walking Dead, but I feel I'm in the damn prison. Look at this. Damn. Some zombie apocalypse shit in here. So this is San Francisco for y'all, where we spend more time finding parking than actually working on the damn systems. Three-hour max, we're good. Working on one of those. All right, guys, got everything up here. There's my boy Diego. All right, Diego, give us a rundown what we're doing.
All right, so we're just doing the maintenance on these. We're gonna wash the coils, change the filters, check the belts, check the economizer operation.
What about them coils? Yeah, we'll wash them. So yeah, it should be a pretty simple day. Doing maintenances, checking economizer, washing coils, filters, valves, and that should be it. Pretty bad. All right, guys, so I just bought me this. It was like about 90 bucks. And the reason I bought it is because we do a lot of this type of maintenances that we have to blow the electrical, the burners, everything out, all the dust out. And I found out using this is way easier. Some of you might be asking, oh, that's a little bit too much, but to be honest with you guys, this thing cuts my time in half when I'm trying to brush down the dirt and all that stuff. This thing will just blow it all out, boom, done, easy. So I do recommend it, super easy. Not for residential, but just commercial wise. And then whenever I have whatever I have left, I just do it real quick. To make sure. But like I said, guys, that blower takes all the dirt out. Super easy. we're just using water, guys, because anytime you're in the city, you don't want to use chemicals, because I mean, from previous experiences, you got people coming up and telling you, hey, is that friendly for the environment? So we tend to use only water when we do these things out here. Alright guys, so now that we changed filters, belts, washed coils, aluminum coil, everything, what we like to do is just come around, look for oil stains, burn wires, things like that. And let me just show you how clean that blower leaves everything. So sometimes you do have to use little brushes to get on some spots, but that blower works perfectly. Got my boy Diego out there washing coils. And then once we're done with that, we'll go ahead and jump the unit, check the temperature of everything, and go from there, check pressures, do all that good stuff. Also guys, just to clarify once again, we don't like to film everything that we do, because we don't want restaurant owners to try and come up here and do it themselves. That's the main reason why. But yeah, I mean, we checked everything and we should be able to go. All right guys, the only thing we found wrong on these units was the mesh on these, and that thing broke apart.
So we'll take it back to the shop. The guys will fabricate a new one for us, and we'll come back out for something in the city, and we'll come back and put it in, either myself or Teto. So you know, very important, we have to check these units, make sure they're economizing with all the, you know, PG&E laws and stuff out here now. That's very important. So they'll come out and inspect it, and then if like I said, it's good and it's not good, then we can get in trouble for that. Yeah,
basically these units are PG&E comes and they check up on them and make sure everything's running fine. So basically what we do, we come in and do our maintenance, and then they come in and do the rest of it. It's an energy efficient discount they do. So we were about to leave and we came up that little ladder and didn't notice there was another unit here. Shit. Alright guys, we're all done. We're about to go take lunch. We're gonna take that to the shop, get a new one fabricated. Dun dun. We're about to try out some of the best burgers. I heard so many people talk about them, so give them a try. Damn. We're about to get some diabetes. I give this about a 9 out of 10. No, 8. 8 out of 10. It was pretty good. I'll be honest with you guys. That burger made me feel gross. It had a lot of grease. So now my mouth feels all... Ugh. It was good though, so. Alright, so I drew this penis like about a month ago, and fucking Diego still has it. I don't know. God. Well, let me. There you go. Alright, let's go. That bell needs to be changed. God damn. Look at this. Jesus. So we're gonna do the same thing. wash coils, change belts, filters, all the good stuff. Let me check the other side. Oh yeah. So this is what a lot of restaurants like to do, is leave the thermostat up here. Because a lot of times those employees or managers, they just keep messing with them over and over again, and it's a pain in the ass. So usually corporate or whoever owns the restaurant usually tells us to put it on the unit itself. Looking clean. So now I just checked the rest. Jumped it out. Looking good. This one's the gas line is not connected, so I believe it's a heat pump. So. Nice, power's off, feel this wheel, looking good. So I'm gonna go and check the capacitor, amp draw, and go from there. How you like it, Diego?
I like it, man. It works pretty good, man.
I know, it was like 90 bucks too, so. Look what I just found. Damn. Look at that. Let's check this one. God damn. This one's clean. Jesus. Yep, that thing's running. We're gonna go ahead and try and wash it a little bit. I mean, even though we're not here for that, but oh well. Looking good, looking good. Got all the filters in. That. We should be able to fit now. Alright guys, so hope you guys enjoyed the little vlog. I actually enjoyed doing this one more than the service calls. It's less stress of trying to film, things like that. So got all the units up, cleaned up, changed belts, filters, everything. So we should be good. In case you guys were wondering, this one's a 18-volt Milwaukee. I got it for like $90, I think. So, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace.